Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you change playlist cover on Spotify on your iPhone. So let's start. So first here, let's go ahead and open up Spotify. Tap on your library. And here, choose the playlist that you want to change the cover. Now tap on the three dots and tap on edit. Tap on change image and tap on choose from library. Now for this example, let's use this photo from our device. You can adjust it and tap on choose. And then tap on save. So there you have it guys, this is how you change playlist cover on Spotify on your iPhone. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.